Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm doing this soft glam look. It is super easy and simple and you can wear it for any occasion. So if you want to see how I got this look, just keep on watching. Okay, so my face is already primed and moisturized. The primer that I use is the Master Prime by Maybelline. That's what I use to prime my face. So we're gonna go right into foundation. So the foundation that I'm using is going to be the Matte Poreless Foundation by Fit Me, Maybelline. And I'm gonna go ahead and place that all over my skin here. And before I blend it out, I'm gonna go ahead and spray my face with the Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray. And then I'm gonna go ahead and blend it out with a beauty blender. Okay, so now that that's blended out, I'm going to take the same foundation and just like a shade lighter. And this is the color 322. My foundation was in the color 335. So this is 322. And I'm going to just put this right underneath of my eyes. And I'm only going to put a tad bit. This is just going to help with the dark circles before I highlight. All right, so next I'm going to go in with my highlight concealer, and this is the Juvias Place in the shade 15. And I'm going to go ahead and add this to all of my highlighted points. Alright, and then I'm going to blend that out. I blend out my eyes last because I like to let it sit for a little bit before I blend it out. So I'm going to start at my chin, cupid's bow, nose, forehead, and then go back to my eyes. All right, so the next step is I'm gonna go in with a contour shade, and this is Juvia's Place again in the shade 8. And I'm gonna go ahead and contour my face with this. Put 2 dots on the side, 3 dots on my forehead, and 2 little things on my nose. And I'm gonna go ahead and blend that out with a cheek brush by Real Techniques. This is the brush that I use to blend out my cream contour. All right, so now I'm gonna go in with my Laura Mercier powder. And I believe this is the tinted one. I'm not sure, but I'm gonna go in with this. I'm gonna pour some on my lid here, just so I can go in and set my concealer before we start eyeshadow. Just so that way if we have any fallout, it'll land on the powder and not the cream. Alright, so let's go ahead and jump into eyeshadow. Today I'm going to be using the 39L palette, by Morphe. And I'm going to be only using 3 colors. So the 3 colors that I'm going to be using today, go ahead and look at this little sheet, is Hook Up, Live It Up, and My Type. So Hook Up, which is this top corner color right here. Live It Up, which is this color right here. And then My Type, which is this color right here. So it's literally just 1, 2, and 3. Those are the 3 colors that I'm going to be using for this look today, which is pretty simple. So the first brush that I'm going to go in with is the Morphe MB23 brush. It's just a fluffy shadow brush, and I'm going to go in with Hook Up, and I'm going to keep that in the corner of my eye, the outside corner of my eye. So next I'm going to go in with this Eco Tools brush. It's like a dual brush. I'm going to take the flat side, it's like a flat fluffy eyeshadow brush, and I'm going to go in with Live It Up, which is that goldish shimmer color. I'm going to put that right in the middle of my eyelid. Then I'm going to go back in with the MB23 fluffy brush, and I'm just going to go ahead and make sure that those 2 colors blend together. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and take my color cleaner here, and I'm going to go ahead and take the eyeshadow off of this flat eyeshadow brush, because I'm going to go in with the same brush with the color My Type, which is just a plain like nude color, and I'm going to put this on the inner corner of my eye. So then I'm just going to take that same MB23 brush, and then I'm just going to go ahead and blend all 3 of them together. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and do the other eye off camera, and then I'll be right back. Okay, so I went ahead and did the other side, and I added on some mascara and my lashes. The mascara that I used is the, oh gosh, it rubbed off. It just says Maybelline Lash. I'm pretty sure this is the stiletto one. If I'm not mistaken, I believe that this is the stiletto one. And then the lashes that I have on are part of my collection. If you go to mindingourbeautyshop.com and follow me on Instagram at mindingourbeauty, I do have 5 styles of lashes. This style is Saucy. So if you like these lashes, make sure to check them out. And I also have applicators to put the lashes on with. So now that my eyes are completely done, I'm gonna go ahead in with contour powder. So the first contour powder that I'm gonna use is the Loreal True Match Super Blendable Powder in the color N7 or Classic Tan. So I'm gonna go in with a angled fluffy brush, and I'm just gonna go ahead and set my cream contour. And then the second color that I go in is still the L'Oreal True Match Super Blendable Powder, but I'm gonna go in with the color C8 Cocoa. And I'm actually gonna just take a little bit just to add some more depth to the contour. Actually, I'm gonna go ahead and take this fluffy face brush, and I'm just gonna go ahead and take off the excess powder, setting powder that I have on my face, and just blend everything out before we add more setting spray. Then I'm gonna go ahead and take my Urban Decay All Nighter spray, and I have a fan here, handy dandy fan. I'm not gonna let it dry all the way because I'm gonna take this e.l.f. Healthy Glow Bronze. It's this highlighter that I found in my makeup collection that I forgot that I even had this. And I'm just gonna go ahead and highlight my face. This is a really, really pretty highlighter, and I'm glad that I found it. It gives you a very natural glow. All right, and then I'm gonna go back in with the setting spray again. And now I'm gonna let it dry completely. All right, so now I'm gonna go in with the ColourPop Brow Boss in the color Dark Brown. And I'm gonna go ahead and fill in my brows. So I like this brow pencil because it is super skinny, and I can just go in and add light hair strokes to where I need them for my brows just to keep them as natural as possible. So I'm gonna go ahead and brush them out. I brush them up and over. And then I just go ahead and fill in any spots that I need to fill in with hair strokes. All right, and just like that, eyebrows are done. And then I'm gonna go in with, I cannot talk today. I'm gonna go in with the e.l.f. Clear Brow and Mascara. I wanna use it for my brows. Just gonna go in with that, and with light strokes, I'm just gonna go ahead and set my eyebrows, brushing them up and over. All right, so now that brows are done, we're gonna move on to lips. So I have this random brown lip pencil. I'm just gonna go in with this and line my lips. And then I'm gonna go in with Anastasia Beverly Hills and the liquid lipstick Peachy. And I'm gonna put this right over top of this lip liner. Go ahead and add that right on top. Just like that. And if you want to go back in and add any more liner, if you want it to be darker in certain spots, you can go ahead and do that. All right, you guys, so this is the finished look. Fix my ponytail here. This is the finished look. I am loving this soft glam. I feel like you can wear it anywhere. You wear it every day, you wear it on date night. Valentine's Day is coming up. You can wear it for Valentine's Day. You're going to the club. Doesn't matter. It is super simple. I only use 3 eyeshadows, and then I did my face how I normally do my face with any other look. So I feel like this is very wearable and very easy to do. All the products that I use will be listed down below, of course. Make sure you like and subscribe, and make sure you follow me on all my social medias, and I hope you guys enjoyed. Bye.